So good morning. I am Professor Mihir Kumar Purkait from IIT Guwahati, and presently I am holding the Professor Chair position in International Jal Jeevan Missions and looking after the water treatment technologies and water quality parameters for all the states and union territory. In last couple of years, we have developed several water treatment plants, and that water treatment plants is superior than the conventional one. Presently we have seen that use of groundwater gradually increases for the drinking purpose rather than surface water is not used, particularly in the rural cases. And since we are digging the water from the underground, then arsenic, fluoride and other contaminants are also coming. So that's why we are saying that water contamination is gradually increases day by day, and this contamination is because of somewhere it is iron contamination, arsenic contamination, fluoride contamination, and like Haryana in other states high TDS concentrations also we have seen, and quite difficult to treat these contaminants using the conventional techniques. The presently technology whatever used in single village scheme and multi-village scheme by the states public health engineering departments, most of the cases they are using aeration, then sand filtration, sand gravel dual media filters, and some sorts of so-called activated carbon. Its coal is used for the separation of all those ingredients. But using these treatment techniques, the conventional technique is not good for arsenic or fluoride removal. Even after iron removal also is not possible. With this perspective, we have developed our own technology, so electrocoagulation based technology, where we are not using any chemicals, then we are using some sorts of electrodes based on the ingredients to be removed, whether it is arsenic, fluoride or other ingredients, heavy metals or even other contaminants. We are using different types of electrodes. The electrodes material should be selected based on the ingredient to be separated. So our technology is based on electrocoagulation technique. In this technique, we are not using any chemicals, but depending on the ingredient, we are applying current, and calculated amount of current we are providing, so that your whatever required amount of coagulant from the electrode, it will come to the solutions, and it will create fast flux, then it is sediment. Thereafter we are filtering all those materials. So this is the integrated plant where everything, your coagulation, sedimentation, filtrations, all are integrated in the single plant. And in conventional plant we are using several pumps, but here you are not using any pumps for transferring one unit to another units. So this technique has huge advantage because we are not using any chemicals, not using any pumps, and it has a scalability starting from 10 liter per day to even after 1 lakh liter per day we have installed. Several plants we have installed. Even if you see that several school, college, temples, we have installed this type of plant of different capacity. So recently we have installed in Boku, we had 1 lakh liter per day, 3 plants. We are using these electrocoagulation techniques. So another plant couple of years back we have installed in Changshari. There 50,000 liter per day capacity plant were used for multi-village scheme. So this technique is very much helpful, and details of design of all those plants is also available with us. And since we have developed this technology 10 years back, starting from the lab scale, as you will know that you're transferring from the lab scale to commercial product, it takes a long time and different aspect to be considered. Here we have developed from even at a small lab scale to 1 lakh liter, that types of plants we have developed and we have installed using different funding agencies. So I think this will be very much helpful to mitigate the arsenic, iron, fluoride and any other contaminants removal techniques across the country. Those who are interested may contact with us. So you may search my name, Dr. Mihir Kumar Purkait from IIT Guwahati. You will find the details of my profile, and always you are encouraged to discuss with us if you need any technological help, whether it is installing new plant or sometimes retrofitting of your existing plant for the betterment or better efficiency, increasing its output throughput capacity, or any other contaminant removal technique if you want to adopt, always you are welcome to contact with us. With this, I thank you very much.